Ever wonder how to turn the odds in your favor in the market? Curious about a strategy that could potentially skyrocket your win rate? Well, you're in the right place. Let's get started and head over to the TradingView.com. At the moment, we're looking at the Nifty chart on a 5-minute time frame, but you're free to choose any chart for trading. Head over to the indicator section and add the swing trade signals indicator to your chart. Then go into the indicator settings and make the adjustments as I have. The first point about this indicator is that it allows trading in the direction of the trend. This means if the price is above the indicator line, only enter long trades because the market momentum is upward. Conversely, if the price is below the indicator line, only enter short trades as the market momentum is downward. The swing trend signal indicator, in addition to identify the trend, is a simple buy and sell indicator that you can use to enter trades based on its signals. But wait, for more precise trade entries, I suggest you use the swing trade signal indicator in conjunction with the 10 indicators and 1 indicator. After adding the 10 indicator and 1, it's best to go to its settings and make the adjustments as I've done. Now, if you take a closer look at this indicator, you notice that it consists of several colored rows, each representing the status of an indicator. And these rows, green signifies a bullish momentum and red signifies a bearish momentum. So if all rows are green, it's a strong confirmation of a bullish trend. and vice versa. If all rows are red at the same time, it indicates a very strong bearish trend. Therefore, for trading with this strategy, we have 3 rules for entering a trade. For instance, for a buy trade, the first step is to ensure that the trend is upward. Next, a B signal should appear below a candle, and the candles should be above the swing trade signal indicator line. In the second step, all the rows of the 10 indicators in one should be green simultaneously. If both these conditions are met, so we can enter the trade. To determine the stop loss for this trade, use the recent swing low. And for the target, use a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. And for a short trade, initially confirm that the trend is downward. Next, an S signal should be visible above a candle, and the candle should be positioned below the swing trade signal indicator line. Following that, all rows of the 10 indicators in one indicator should turn red at the same time. So if all these conditions are fulfilled, you're good to go for a short trade. And to set a stop loss for this trade, take into account the recent swing high. As for the target, aim for the risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Okay, so now I'm about to test this strategy out 100 times. Please hit that subscribe button and get straight into the results. You can see we had a massive 184 gain on the account over 100 trades. It gives us a very impressive 71% win rate. We had a huge 8 wins in a row and 3 consecutive losses in a row. But wait, there's more. I've recently designed a unique strategy that can transform any losing trader into a profitable one in less than 1 month. Everything you need to know about this is explained in this video, so don't hesitate, start watching.